Take a ride in the 2026 Explorer. You've got a lot of capabilities to call on in a Ford Explorer. Don't underestimate your choices. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, emergency braking preparation, hill descent control, remote engine start, active grille shutters, stability control, roll stability control, sports suspension, braking assist, power brakes. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.